Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious peanut butter tea. First, gather your simple ingredients: creamy peanut butter, your favorite tea bags, water, and a sweetener like honey or sugar. You will also need a saucepan, a whisk, and a mug. This unique and comforting beverage is surprisingly easy to prepare and offers a delightful twist on your usual tea time. Let's get started on this warm, inviting drink. Now, let's begin by combining the main components. Take 2 generous tablespoons of creamy peanut butter and add them to a small saucepan. Pour in 1 cup of water. Place the saucepan over medium heat and begin whisking vigorously. Continue whisking until the peanut butter fully dissolves into the water, creating a smooth, uniform mixture. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring frequently to prevent sticking. Next, it's time to infuse our tea. Carefully place 1 tea bag, perhaps black or green tea, directly into the simmering peanut butter mixture. Allow it to steep for about 3 minutes, letting the flavors meld beautifully. After steeping, remove the tea bag. Now, stir in 1 tablespoon of your chosen sweetener, like honey or maple syrup, and a tiny pinch of salt. The salt really helps to balance and enhance the rich flavors. Finally, your delightful peanut butter tea is ready to enjoy. Carefully pour the warm, aromatic beverage into your favorite mug. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a light sprinkle of cinnamon or a small drizzle of honey on top. This unique and comforting drink is perfect for a chilly evening or a cozy afternoon. Sip slowly and savor the rich, creamy, and subtly sweet flavors. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.